When it comes out, 0. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to 0. 0. When it comes out, 0. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to 0. 0. When it comes out, 0. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to 0. 0. When it comes out, 0. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to 0. 0. When it comes out, 0. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to 0. 0. When it comes out, 0. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to 0. 0. When it comes out, 0.
Hello guys, welcome again to the live stream. Well, today is very good day, right? So the projection in 1 day chart, remember I said we are gonna see a bounce, and after that we are gonna see continuation to the downside because it's a bounce, a continuation, yeah, because the 1 day chart is in downtrend, right? So well, now you can see the move is happening right now here as expected, right? So remember, when we talk about this, I think last time was Friday, I think around there, last week, when Bitcoin was doing something like this, right? So I said many times here, the time is almost over. If we see a bounce, there is, of course, if we see a bounce, okay, that is gonna be a short. It's not something like reversal or something like that, right? So now you can see the results. So in 4-hour chart, as you can see here, I said, okay, well, here in my live stream we didn't have entry signal here because the ADX was positive here, but after the ADX negative here, so I opened a short position around the $1,100 to around this area, around here, and now you can see Bitcoin is actually breaking the MA55 here. And let me tell you something, it's very simple. Any close below $29,500 in the next 12 hours, I will set, you will see full rejection and continuation, and you will see this level breaking, and also thinking like Bitcoin is trending to the downside, because actually it's trending to the downside and a very healthy downtrend. So you will see something like this around $23,000 is gonna be the area I'm gonna start looking for if this area breaks. $29,500 around there the next 12 hours. If you see Bitcoin breaking this area, you will see continuation. Based on probabilities, that is something I'm expecting right now. Why? Well, let me show you. What is this? As I said before, the next sell signal in one day chart. Well, get ready, because sell signal here in one day chart here, sideways here, bounce here, continuation with the sell signal here. Bitcoin has a real possibility to break $29,000, 200, 300 around there, and you will see continuation. Maybe actually today or tomorrow, maximum this week. So Bitcoin right now, sorry, this is technical analysis for Bitcoin. Of course not because I said Bitcoin is to dance right now, you are going to enter in short. Of course not, because the short was here. Why you want to enter in short here? No. If you are entering short here, well, you are in the worst moment to enter in short right now in 4-hour chart, of course, right? In 4-hour chart. So as you can see here, Bitcoin is breaking the M55 here, testing the $29,600, the last point, the last area for this area. If this area breaks, you will see the setup. And look, actually I am in short. I am planning to keep my short because I was looking for this setup for more than 1 week. So honestly, in my personal opinion, I'm expecting Bitcoin is gonna break here, maybe some sideways here and continuation. Yeah, that is my speculation here. And also we have the 12-hour chart is gonna be the trigger for this setup. Volatility is expanding in 12-hour chart. Clear, beautiful reaction from MA55, breaking MA21, and also same level. So with the signal here, the dark, the sell signal here in 12-hour chart, I mean then today, that is gonna be the trigger for me to keep my short position open, and I want to start looking for new lows, actually, new lows. So if you see the monthly chart, as I said before, based on the close, this is a monthly continuation here, and looks like in this month you will see Bitcoin testing 25, 24, and maybe potential break this month. Weekly chart, as you can see here, very bad. Any close below $29,500 today, you will see this close. This is a continuation, beautiful rejection here, and you will see around maybe yeah, this month here continuation, as you can see here. And let me see the 5-day chart here. 5-day chart, very beautiful as well. Yep, very good. 23 level test here, 23. Very happy with the setup here. I think, personally speaking, I think I am in a very good position right now in my short. Yeah, any close below $29,500, you will see continuation, and you will see full leg down continuation, of course, for major macro trend, right? So, and let me show you something. Let's talk about USDT dominance. USDT dominance, remember I said yesterday, well, careful, because we have a beautiful buy signal right now for a 1-day chart. Let me show you here. You see, this is a test. The speculation, of course, is gonna be like this. Maybe at least third test to maybe 7%. Maybe yes. Let me see to the chart. Maybe range. Maybe we will see a range here. Let me see 3-day chart. Okay, it is still positive here. 5-day chart, macro time frames are good, actually, yes. So for now, the technical analysis is working here. Yeah. So let's see how it's gonna play this. My speculation for this asset, of course, USDT dominance is a new ATA. Also other one, I mean, about 7. So it's just about time. Remember, the monthly is very bullish here, and this continuation to the upside. I would say this is not rejection, it's continuation to the upside. So I think that's it. Let me see the Bitcoin dominance, because if Bitcoin dominance is expanding right now, well, buy altcoins. Yes, let me see. Weekly chart. It's expanding here. Very beautiful chart here. Actually, I will say that, well, you can expect more pain for altcoins and new lows, actually, in the midterm, actually, I will say. Bitcoin, well, I can tell you right now. The technical analysis I was talking about finally is working. Here, as you can see here. And so, what to do right now? Nothing. I am in position here, and again, I'm gonna watch more Netflix today. Of course, I protected my entry, risk management. and I will see how Bitcoin is gonna react here in this area. Any close below, let me repeat, any close below 29,500 around this area, you will see a full rejection all the way down to 26, 25, eventually break down here, and you will see continuation to mid 20s. That is because the reason is simple, is because we are in a trending, beautiful trending market, right? So Bitcoin spent 4 months of the year in sideways. You cannot expect Bitcoin is gonna be just sideways again here. No, this is a beautiful continuation after 4 months of this distribution pattern. So also in macro time frames, this is the resolution. This is the resolution, and a very healthy distribution pattern in monthly. So you can expect, as a trader, of course, I am expecting, if this is real, of course, this is move real, because of course still the sell pressure is on in monthly. This is going to be the resolution of this distribution pattern, where to the moon, right? To the moon, 100k, 200k, whatever. And this is like this, okay? Let me show you here in the weekly chart where we are with the regression, logarithmic regression here. Yes, okay. As you can see here, beautiful reaction from the bottom of the red band here, around 31,600. Yes, so it's simple. I mean, any close below 29,500 today, you will see continuation. As I said before, I am not expecting this time the mid 200 weekly chart is gonna hold. I don't think so. Same thing with this reaction. I am expecting Bitcoin is gonna range eventually. Sorry, it's gonna test around this white box around here, $14,000, this area. Yeah. So I think that's it, guys. That's it. This, I'm very happy, right? Very happy, because the technical analysis is working. And also in micro time frames, you are watching 1 hour chart because maybe you want to scalp. Let me tell you something. If there is a buy signal right now here, no. Why? Because, well, Bitcoin actually is, the ADX is positive here, and also, well, let's look at least other test, maybe 29,200 around there. That is the area I'm gonna start looking, maybe in 1 hour chart a bounce, potentially, yes. Now, let's talk about something else here. I want to show you here the choppiness index, because I was checking this choppiness index. Yeah, it's very interesting, this chart. Why? Because, well, let me show you here. This is the first time I see the choppiness index in this level in all the history of the data. I mean, all the data of Bitcoin. It's the first time I see. It's the first time I see Bitcoin, the choppiness index for Bitcoin around 72. So yes, look, you can play again the live stream. I'm expecting continuation. Yeah. So this is very bad, I will say. Why? Because this is just a distribution pattern, continuation to the downside. And as you can see here, this is finally, the choppiness index finally is moving. So you will see the very nasty move here in choppiness index maybe this weekend, cross the 50 line here. And when you see the choppiness index below 50 line, that means the market is trending very hard. Okay. So this is very, very bad actually. Let me see the weekly chart for choppiness index. Remember, I said that is long time ago. It was in March. Every time when Bitcoin is testing this, the choppiness index, the levels here, you will see macro moves. And now it's happening. We are in the middle. And right now we are in the worst moment for the choppiness index. So that means this move in the weekly chart is not over. It's not over. I will set, based on historical points, around 23. So all this move, all this point here, we have for Bitcoin in weekly chart. So be ready, because I said many times, I don't know how many actually, but I don't think so. This is the bottom of the market. I don't think so. Okay, so let's continue. In 4 hour chart, as you can see here, you are using, for example, because I posted this in my private channel yesterday. Here, let me show you here one moment. Here, the show long term here. This is the MA 100. Yeah, Usually Bitcoin, just Bitcoin in this case, likes to test, when it's in trending move, likes to test the bounces here around the MA100 in 4-hour chart. As you can see, one point, 2 points here, one very close here. And usually when it's trending very hard, you will see this as a major area of resistance in 4-hour chart. Let me show you other examples. For example, in this crash here in 2021, this is the mid-21 here, MA100 in 4-hour chart here again, and after that continuation, right? Major crashes from this point and this point, this point and this point, and eventually, of course, Bitcoin broke this area, and after that we see other bounce. So you can expect this is the beginning of other massive, I would say, maybe not massive, but very interesting move to the downside in weekly chart, because macro timeframes, they are right now playing. The setup we saw, I talked for many months, and macro timeframes, they are playing right now. Okay, so I am here in short. I just protected my entry, and let's see what is going to happen. Okay, so for altcoins, what we can expect for altcoins? One moment. One second. Okay, so for altcoins, it's very simple. We can check US total market cap too, and well, it's very simple. New lows. I mean, I don't need to see any chart. I will say eventually, if this technical analysis for Bitcoin is correct, you will see new lows for altcoins maybe next week. So let me show you here. Where is total 2? Yeah, total 2 here. Okay, this is a very healthy downtrend for altcoins. You see, this is limit 21 here, and after that continuation. So that is a speculation, of course, based on the weekly chart. I said yesterday we have new monthly. This is continuation to the downside, and also we have the ADX negative, positive here. As long as we have the ADX positive here, it's very bad for altcoins. And be careful, because next week we are going, maybe the next 2 weeks, we're gonna see this as the ADX crossing the 23 level, and officially we will see we are gonna be in trending mood for altcoins. And get ready, because new lows and very nasty crashes you will see in the market, maybe all this month and next month as well. So Ethereum, remember I said 2000 was a target for Ethereum, and from here to the moon, right? To the moon. No, my friend, here is continuation to the downside. Actually, Ethereum is worse. Why? Because, well, here is our actually, let me see. Yes, we will see other leg down. The next, if I am right, of course, Bitcoin must break $29,500. If that happens, this area is gonna break for Ethereum here. This area is gonna break, and you will see a major crash all the way down to 1,100, around 1,900 or $900. That is gonna be the first level. The major level is gonna be around $500. Okay. Actually, for me, around here, this is gonna be potentially the big buy opportunity for Ethereum. I am a financial advisor, just saying. Okay. So all the altcoins, same thing. This bounce was a short. Yeah, but this is not new, right? Because especially you are in my private channels, you knew about this. We were talking about this long time ago. We were ready. And what happened with Solana? Wow, you see, to the moon, Solana is the bottom, right? The bottom is in. No, my friend. This is just a friendly continuation here, and you will see this maybe at least other test to 35, but eventually you will see a breakdown around 20s, $15 is the target I'm looking for Solana. Okay, so you see the market is actually following Bitcoin here. Cardano tested the mid-55, perfect tested here. Any close below 0.52, you will see full reaction and continuation. And for my next level is not 4.40, is gonna be around 0.20 and so on. Okay, so any close, watch Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks $29,500 today, well, now you can what you can expect. Well, continuation, very healthy continuation. The only altcoin is doing something better than the rest is BNB. BNB is defending very good. this area between 300 to 225. Looks like, of course this is too soon to say it, but looks like, maybe I'm wrong, but looks like in the long term this could be the bottom for BNB, this area. Looks like that. It's too soon to say it, but looks like that. Okay, so let's continue. If you want me to check other altcoins, please let me know. Okay. So I said, look, we are in a trending market right now. The weekly chart is trending, so no, I think we will see a very, very interesting move to the downside maybe this month. Especially, for example, with iOS is giving me the hint right now. Bitcoin is doing something like the market is doing something like no one is expecting. Yeah, the reason is simple. This asset, especially this asset, I am not a big fan of iOS. Let me tell you something. I am not fan of this. But in 2028, the lowest point we saw this asset was at 1.50. In 2020, in the crash, remember, lowest point was $1 with 38 cents. And right now it's breaking the key points. Yeah, you can say historically. I mean, very, very. You can think like very, very strong areas, maybe. But if this asset actually close below this, you can expect eventually this asset is gonna reach maybe $1, even actually 0.50 around there, something like that, this year. So this is telling me something is happening right now in the markets. This bear market we can see we are watching right now here. Every time when I see it, because I see it every day, yeah. This is doing something like we never seen before. We never seen before. There is a very high probability this time. MA200 and moving average. This region is not gonna hold anymore. This is a real scenario where this area, because people are looking for this area as potential bottom, right? There is a very high probability, maybe not very high, but I am defensive. I am not expecting this area is gonna hold 22, 20 level. People are talking about $20,000 at the bottom, right? No, my friend, no. Because I have a system, right? I have a system. My system is telling me based on the volume there is nothing here. There is nothing here to support the price. If the price breaks 28 right now, I mean this area, you will see this test. Maybe we will see a bounce because maybe people will think, oh, this is the bottom, right? But I don't think so. Based on the volume, there is nothing here, and you will see a full retrace to this level. If you will see this full retrace, get ready, because as I said, I think 1 week ago, Bitcoin is looking more like it's getting ready for a potential the first bear market in monthly. It's too soon to say it. The biggest hint I will get for saying these kind of things is if I see Bitcoin by end of this month closing below $30,000. Any close by the end of this month below $30,000, well, be ready for the new phase in the market. For the first bear market in monthly for Bitcoin. Okay, so get ready, because all the people who made money in 2020, 2018, they will just boom, kaboom. So even for me, it's gonna be new. I'm gonna enjoy this. If I see a bear market for monthly for Bitcoin, I'm gonna be super happy. The reason is simple. It's because I feel very comfortable shorting the markets. It's not because I like bear. I don't want to see the prices crashing. No, it's because I see bear markets as a new opportunity to improve my skills as a trader. That is the only thing. Okay. So let's come back here and talk about Bitcoin and 1-day chart. Okay. In 1-day chart, we were talking here about this projection, right? This projection here, the bounce here, and also this bounce to keep falling. Remember, my job as a trader is projecting the price here before of happening, right? So when you see traders, for example, they are doing this, right? I saw even some very famous YouTubers. They are doing this garbage, right? So this is my triangle. this is my triangle, or like this, who knows, maybe this, I don't know, you tell me, it depends on your imagination. Yeah, and if the triangle breaks to the upside, the target is gonna be $34,000. It breaks to the downside, it's gonna be 26. Yeah, this is classic technical analysis. I strongly invite you to see my free training program. It's not a training program, just it's an introduction of my programs. Like, oh, sorry, but I didn't have time. I don't have time enough to keep recording more videos. I promise I will make more time this year. But this is a classic technical analysis. Someone asked me what I should do to improve my skills as a trader yesterday, and I said, well, learn about technical analysis, a classic one. Why? Because all the things you learn there, you will learn something. What not to do in the markets. What not to do in the markets. Okay? And the reason is very simple. If you are new in the markets, if you are new here, is because market makers, people who they have the money to manipulate the markets, they know my friend the retailer is watching this triangle. So my book says enter in short. Okay, let's enter in short here. Friendly reminder for even for some members in my private channel. Here, yeah, because here is my short position here. Okay, let's do it. Fuck, you see? Okay, so let's do it here. Okay, this is a breakout pattern. Okay, this is a breakout pattern. Yeah, I'm gonna enter here. Let me repeat the opposite side here. Let me do it here. One moment. Here, the other guy said, no, this is bullish. This is to the moon. And from here, this is the bottom, and here to the moon, right? My target is gonna be to the moon. Okay, I'm gonna enter around here, around maybe $30,000. Perfect. And he is very happy, right? He is very happy. This guy is very happy because he's making money. So the stop loss according to the books is around where? $28,000 previous low. Okay, and he's doing something like this today. Well, yesterday. After that, what happened? Well, okay, to the moon, right? To the moon. Okay, good. The stop loss is here or here. It depends, right? But there is a very high probability you will see all the people who are here because they are following these kind of things. They will get stopped maybe today or tomorrow. Here, and not just like that. You will see like this because this is a business. So if you keep doing these kind of things, well, my friend, you have a big problem. Okay, so I think it's enough for about teaching about psychology of trading and also about patterns, how they don't work. If you are interested in this topic, you can check my free training program in my website. Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue with other things. Okay, let's talk about the SP500 because I want to see what is happening right now with SP500 because SP500, remember, Bitcoin and the SP500, they have this correlationship too. So I want to see reaction. Yes. Okay. Let me see. Yes, to the moon. Here is to the moon, right? No. Here, no thank you, no thank you, and this is like this. Okay, simple. I finished. So based on this, I will just keep my short position on Bitcoin and Bitcoin to 0.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to 0. 0. When it comes out, 0.
Yeah, be clear, right? So someone said my arrow is very powerful. No, actually, thank you, my friend, but no, it's just the projection I am doing right now. Okay, so be careful, my friend. Take care with your trades. And also, you are thinking to short here? No, there is no short position right now here. At least not with my system. If you have other one, good luck with that. But no, I will never short here. Never short here. Never. If you wanna short here, well, I will suggest. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, right? Wait for the breakdown. In the next bounce here, when you see the M55 testing here, in the next bounce, Okay, that is your next short. Okay, not now, not today. Don't chase the market. Simple. Okay, so let's continue. Someone asked me about Luna. Just for this only, just for today, I'm gonna check Luna. And what I can tell you about this? Nothing. Maybe in 1 hour chart I can tell you something. What I can tell you about this? There is nothing I can tell you right this. Even if I have indicators, I have nothing. The only thing I can say is as long as below $6 with 65 cents, this is to the downside. Okay, in 1 hour chart, I mean the next 4 hours. So I cannot tell you anything. Okay, so let's talk about something else. Yeah, about gold. We are looking for macro things right now here because well, let me show you here in macro time frames. In 1 day chart here for gold, it's bullish. We have this still. Let me see. No. Sorry, let me fix this. The bounce very good here. So we are gonna see a sell signal right now for gold, maybe in the next, maybe this week. And so two options: or you hold your position here, or just take profits, because there is a very high probability you will see other test maybe to the new lows here. But in general, gold. Let me see the monthly. Gold is still bullish, and also the good reaction for this asset in the monthly, testing the M21 and closing about there. I will set this month at least other test of 1900 is gonna be, there is a very high probability you will see this area. And let me tell you something, if this asset breaks 1900 this month, for example, yeah, be ready, because this asset is gonna start trending to the upside here, because in my case, this is my personal opinion, this is a very healthy consolidation here in the highs. Yeah, very healthy consolidation here, and you will see potentially, this is my technical analysis for gold, like this. So the rule is very simple: as long as gold is bullish in macro time frames, we are not bullish on in the stock market. Okay, so at least in the long term. So let's continue. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, in the comments. Just I am sharing my opinion, and just be careful in the markets, because the markets are very bad right now. Okay, let's continue with Litecoin. Litecoin is doing something very bad, very nasty here. The monthly close is full rejection. You will see 46, 45 tested. If this level breaks, you will see around 25, 26 dollars here, same as 2018. So that's why this is a problem. If you were holding, you bought in 2018 because Bitcoin to the moon, right? Or hold forever. Well, now you have a very good example. When you don't have any risk management, any trading plan, you don't have anything, you are just hoping. Well, if you bought here and you are thinking you were making money in 2019, 2021, you were making very good money. This is a very good example how you can lose almost everything, right? Because you are holding forever. Very good. Okay, guys, so I think I'm done for today. For this live stream, there is not something else to say actually. In short term, you want to play this potential bounce in 4 hour chart. Technically speaking, you are correct here. In 4 hour chart, yes. In my case, let me be clear, I am not closing my short. So technically speaking, you need to wait for the 4 hour chart buy signal around here, something like this. And also the $29,500 must hold, doing something like this. And after that, maybe you will see other test around $31,000 if that happened. Honestly, in my case, I don't think so. In my case, I am expecting actually 12-hour chart, maybe potential confirmation there, and also we will see continuation to that. That is my speculation. I can be wrong, yes, but I will not close. I am not closing my shorts here, because I am here. I am not closing my shorts. Okay, guys, I think that's it, because looks like today we don't have comments. Okay, let me see if I can tell you something else. No. If you are in the investor channel, we are gonna have a special live stream just for all the people they are there, because we are gonna talk about the potential bottom for Bitcoin. I'm gonna send the meeting today in the group. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and see you tomorrow.